I never expected that a simple conversation with Dr. Sarah Thompson, a 30-year geriatric care expert, would change how I see daily hygiene. Most older adults focus on basics like brushing teeth, but there are 5 areas that are often ignored yet vital to long-term health. Your tongue. Think of your tongue as a kitchen sponge. It traps bacteria daily. If not cleaned, these microbes can impact your heart and overall health. Use a tongue scraper or a toothbrush every morning and night. It takes just 2 to 3 minutes and can greatly improve taste and oral hygiene. Your feet. Feet are the foundation of your body. Poor circulation and infections often start here, especially in diabetics. Wash between your toes, scrub your soles, and dry thoroughly. Moisturize, but avoid between the toes. Good foot care can improve balance, reduce pain, and prevent fungal issues. Your armpits. Armpits are more than sweat zones. They're part of your lymphatic system. Clean them gently but thoroughly to reduce toxin buildup and irritation. Dry well after showering and wait a few minutes before applying deodorant. You might notice softer skin and less odor even without deodorant. Your nose. Your nose filters over 10,000 gallons of air a day. Dust and allergens build up, especially as we age. Rinse with warm water or saline spray each morning. Blow your nose gently, 1 nostril at a time. It helps with allergies, sleep, and even reduces headaches. Your belly button. Yes, your navel. It's one of the deepest crevices on your body and a perfect hiding spot for bacteria. Clean it gently with a warm cloth in the shower and dry it well. Doing this daily can prevent infections and even bad odors. These 5 small habits can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Start slow, be consistent, and give your body the care it truly deserves. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs these life-changing tips.